In today's demo video, we're going to take a look at how to update the Nerdio Manager for WBD application to the latest version. So to do so, we're going to log into the application using the custom URL that you made a note of during the deployment process. We're going to click on Updates. And first thing we're going to do is note the deployed version that's currently installed. If the version is 1.2 or later, then you can use the Deploy button to deploy any future release, and that's going to be done completely automatically through an Azure Automation runbook. It doesn't require global admin credentials or anything like that. The application will just update itself automatically. If your currently deployed version is older than 1.2.0, then what you're going to want to do is download a standalone installer, which is a zip file that you're going to extract locally on your computer, and then from an administrative PowerShell, execute the deploy update.ps1 file to bring it up to the latest version. And then once that happens, then you'll be able to use the automatic deploy button. So let's see how the automatic deploy button works. Although I'm currently on version 1.2 already, if I click on it and say OK, what you'll notice is I'm going to be taken to the Azure Automation account, and a job has been started for me that's going to trigger that update. You could see it's currently queued. If I click on output, I now see that it says running. And then after about 5 minutes or so, the application will be updated to the latest version. And once it's updated, I simply need to refresh my screen and we'll see the latest version deployed. So really easy to update to the latest version. And in future releases, we will have a schedule option where you'll be able to schedule automatic updates that can happen on the weekend or once a month or even daily after our hours to update the application to the latest version.